Hi guys! So this video is a little bit different because I actually am a part of this club. Me and my friends Kiyun and LJ founded it at our college, and so basically it's a cat club called the Catriots, cats and then patriots, that we really wanted to start because we wanted to try to take care of the cats on our campus as much as possible, to like bring as much harmony between the students and faculty and people on campus and the cats themselves. So this video is like really interesting. It was originally supposed to be like an introductory kind of video to help our members like learn how to do the feeding, but I thought it'd be interesting to share with other people. So we're kind of like talking to the members in some of the videos, so it's kind of like a teaching video, but it's still kind of interesting, and follow along if you want and subscribe. Hi guys, this is other cat club officers, and right now we're setting up for the first time feeding. We have a lot of food but only one locker, so we're gonna make do with what we have. We're about to go out. Yay! Okay, so our locker is filled with a lot of dry food, an extra bag, and these little bags that Kian will explain.
Here you can pull out a bag. You can use this to, we'll place a plastic cup here so you guys can scoop out the food on the right amounts and scoop it in this bag here. And after you pour out the food in the bowls from here, you can use this as a trash bag as well.
Cleaning, we have a soap, sponge, and gloves, so when it's time to clean the bowls you can use these. And here on the bottom shelf we'll also have the wet food as well.
And also first aid kits right there, if you guys need any.
So you guys, gotta be cleanly. Wash your dishes. Clean the sponge too, thank you, much appreciated.
So pour out of the bag into a bowl, like this.
And keep the bowls kind of separated so that cats can get their own space when they're eating. And this is why we clean the bowls every chance that we get. Part 2.
Wash your bowl. You can use the same bag that you used to fill the food in to put the trash in. Convenient.